Come test drive the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.